Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about BIODANCE Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. So you should buy this product or not? Does it really give you benefits or it's a waste of money product? Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you this brand, they have like their official website also, and this brand is like very popular, and this brand is approx like 14 years from now. So you can see like biodance.com is 14 years from now. Okay, so it means the brand is available on internet from a long period of time, and they have like good reputation in the market. So if we talk about like the brand is looking like legit. Okay, and if we talk about this product, basically this bio collagen real deep mask is a really effective or a very important mask in today's time, because in today's time there are several, you can say, skin conditions due to pollution, and due to, you can say, like hard work, and due to, you can say, like lots of reasons, or you can say like lots of factors. So that's why skin repair is very important. So it will provide you deep hydration and pore minimizing. And what is pore minimizing? So you can see over here, pore minimizing is like this kind of condition. So if you have any kind of, you can say like these kind of related to these kind of conditions, so you can try this mask and it will give you amazing results. Okay, and it will also help in elasticity. And if you don't know like what is the elasticity, so you can see if you have any kind of condition related to this kind of like elasticity, so this is also really amazing mask. Okay, so the thing is, I want to tell you, you can try this, you can say like product without any doubt. It will give you amazing results, and you can see the ratings of the product is like really amazing. Okay, and you can see the costing is also really, you can say like very good, and that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and I will provide you link in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out the product is like really amazing. Okay, you can try it, and that's it. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.